In the previous video, we have created the search in Chrome function for our AI assistant. In this video, we will try to add some other function like logging out, shutting down and restarting our system. So let's import another library, namely OS. It is also a built-in library, so no need to install this. Now let's import OS, and using this library we can perform many operations on our AI system. Now let's add another else if statement, and in this else if statement we will search for the word logout in the command ls logout inquiry. Then os.system, we will pass a string here, that is shutdown -l. So it will try to log out the user from the system. Now for the restart and shutdown function, let's copy these two lines again and again. Now we just need to change the string here. So we will do shutdown. If the user commands to shut down the machine, then the machine should shut down. And we will change the function L to /s/t1, and it will shut down our system. And if we want to restart our system, so for that we just have to change the function L to /r/t1, so it will restart our computer. Now I will not be trying to run these functions, but you can try this on your machine. So now let's move on to the next video.